Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the noun possessive case. Earlier we talked about nominative and objective case. So let's begin. So what is possessive case? When a noun shows possession, it is said to be in possessive case. It is also used to denote authorship, origin, kind, etc. For example, the prince's coat is very expensive. So here, prince's coat means the coat possessed by the prince. In next sentence, the beggar's clothes were torn and dirty. So beggar clothes means the clothes possessed by the beggar. So as you can see, we add apostrophe s to both the words to show possession. So an apostrophe is added to a noun to show ownership. Now formation of possessive case. As we know, a noun has singular and plural form. So when noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun. For example, the king's crown, my uncle's office. The king's crown, my uncle's office. So king's crown means crown possessed by king. Here we put apostrophe s at the end of the king of the word king, kings. Here we get the possessive form. Now plural noun. So there are two cases in plural noun, when plural noun ends in s and another when plural noun does not end in s. So when the noun is in plural and end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe, at the end of the word. For example, boys boarding school. Boys boarding school, the soldier's uniform. So plural form of boy is boys. S is already there, so we don't have to put additional s to show possessive form. We say boys. We don't say boyses. Because there will be too many hissing sounds if we add s2 with apostrophe. Then when plural noun does not end in s, we put apostrophe s at the end of the word. For example, children's park, women's committee. Now, when noun consists of several words, apostrophe s is attached only to the last word. For example, the king of Bhutan's visit. Here the king is noun and Bhutan is noun. We put apostrophe s to the last one, that is Bhutan. We don't say the kings of Bhutan's visit. It is incorrect. We don't put possessive to each noun. Now closely connected noun, we put possessive to the letter. For example, Tara and Vishal's bakery. Here are two nouns, Tara and Vishal. They have possession on bakery, so we put apostrophe s to the letter or second one. We don't put apostrophe s or possessive to each noun. Now look at this sentence, Tara's and Vishal's bakery. So here Tara and Vishal's bakery. Here noun bakery is in plural form. It shows separate possession of Tara and Vishal on bakery. So we put apostrophe s to each noun to show separate possession. So when noun shows separate possession, possessive is put to each noun. Now at the end of compound noun. What is compound noun? Sister-in-law, brother-in-laws, father-in-laws, these are compound nouns. So in compound nouns, we put apostrophe s at the end of the word, that is law. Sister-in-laws. We don't say sisters-in-laws. It is incorrect. Next, apostrophe s is not used with two consecutive nouns. For example, Ananta's sister's laptop is missing. We don't say Ananta's sister's laptop is missing. It is incorrect. The correct form is the laptop of Ananta's sister is missing. So Ananta has possession on her sister and sister has possession on laptop. Here laptop is non-living thing. So to show possession, we put possession first, that is the laptop, then preposition of, and then Ananta's sister is missing. That is the rest part of the sentence. Here we put apostrophe to Ananta. Don't put apostrophe to each noun. It is incorrect. Now use of possessive case. Possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things. For example, elephant's ear, the governor's bodyguard. So ear belongs to elephant. So elephant is in possessive case and possessive sign is put to elephant. It next is the governor's bodyguard. So it shows governor's possession on bodyguard. So governor is in possessive case with possessive sign. So apostrophe s is added only to living things. First we write noun with apostrophe s plus possession. For non-living things, we don't put apostrophe s to show possession. We use preposition of for expressing the possessive case of non-living things. Here, leg of the chair. Here, leg belongs to chair and chair is non-living. So, we say the leg of the chair. We don't say the chair's leg. It is incorrect. We say leg of the chair. In next sentence, roof of the house. It is correct. We don't say house's roof. So, we write possession first, then of, preposition of, then noun. This is the sequence. So, to show possession, we use preposition of to the noun. Here, chair's leg is incorrect and house's roof is incorrect. So, apostrophe s is not used with non-living things to show possession. Next is personified things. What is personified? What do you mean by personified? It means giving human qualities to non-living thing like nature, household item, etc. So, example of personified things: India's heroes, nature's laws, stars wink. These are the example. Here we put apostrophe s to the noun. Next is the possessive is used with nouns denoting time, space, or weight. For example, 2 days leave, a stone's throw, a pound's weight. Here we put apostrophe s to the noun. And other examples are an hour's work, in a week's time, 2 weeks' salary.